What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix Bluetooth device not showing on Windows 11. We will show you the methods you need to fix the Bluetooth problem on Windows 11, so stay tuned and watch the complete video. Method 1. Troubleshoot. For to do a troubleshoot, click on Windows icon, click on Settings, scroll it down. You'll see troubleshoot in here, click on it, click on other troubleshooter, scroll it down and you'll find Bluetooth. Click on run. It will start detecting problem. As you can see, checking, okay, device does not have Bluetooth. As I do not have a Bluetooth connected, that's why it's showing device does not have Bluetooth device connected. Method 2. Remove and add devices. Click on Start, click on Setting. On the left hand side you'll see Bluetooth and devices, click on it. Here click on Add Devices. Select Bluetooth and connect your Bluetooth device if it's not connected. Method 3. Services. Here you have to find a services with the name of Bluetooth Support Services. Or to find the services, click on Start, type here Service, click on Open. Here you have to find Bluetooth Support Services. As you can see in here, Bluetooth Support Services. Click on Start and make sure you change the properties. Do a right click and select Properties. Here, change the startup type to automatic. If it's not running, then click on Start and run this services. Afterward, click Apply, OK. And that's all you have to do in this method. Method 4. Device Manager. For to open a device manager, you can click on Windows icon. You can type in here Device Manager, or you can do a simple right click and you'll find Device Manager in here. Click on it. You'll see Bluetooth option somewhere listed in here if your Bluetooth was connected. For now, I'm selecting Sound and Video Game Controller. Once you'll have that Bluetooth showing up in here, just select that, double click on that adapter and do a right click on the selected audio device, that Bluetooth device, and select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for driver. It will start scanning the internet for to install the driver on your PC. If it works for you, it's good. If not, you can select this option, search for updated driver on Windows Update, or you can select Browse my computer for driver. Once you'll click on Browse my computer, you'll see this option, let me pick from a list of available driver, click on it. And from here, select your Bluetooth device, click Next and Yes. That's all you have to do in this method. I hope our method helped you to fix your problem. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.